Tyler Cagle here with Cobalt Real Estate. I'm standing in the residence 2010 model home in Petersen Ranch in the gorgeous green foothills of Amador County. Let's go take a tour of these model homes. Starting in the high 500,000s, there are 4 floor plans ranging from 2,010 square feet to 2,700 square feet with 2 owner suites. In Petersen Ranch, you will find custom home sites integrating with the natural topography and floor plans that blend modern amenities with traditional charm. Riverland homes come with impressive standard features as well as a wide range of customizing options sure to make you feel at home. All of these home sites sit on private acreage lots in the highly sought after Gold Country community in Pine Grove. At Petersen Ranch, you'll enjoy being just minutes away from a rejuvenating hike of either Granite or Shaler Lake trailheads. You can ski down the slopes of Kirkwood Ski Resort, or just take the back roads and enjoy the award-winning Shenandoah Valley for your favorite glass of wine. The interior features include granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and luxury vinyl plank flooring.